Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 10th. Here, Act 5, Scene 1 is being taught nowadays. Here, enter Portia and Nerissa. Act 5, Scene 1, line number 97. The enter Portia and Nerissa. Portia says, "That light we see is burning in my hall." We see the light burning. We see the light burning in my own house. How far? How far the little candle throws his beams. So shines a good deed in a naughty world. Light from a little candle shines at night. Light from a little candle shines at night. Thus shines a good deed in this big wicked world. Thus shines a good deed in this big wicked world. Nerissa says, when the moon shone, we did not see the candle. When the moon shines, we do not see the rays of the candle. Portia says, so doth the greater glory dim the less. A substitute shines brightly as a king, until a king be by, and then his state empties itself as doth as in a land brook into the main of water music harp. Portia said, this is because great things overshadow great things. Great things overshadow small ones. A deputy of the king looks as powerful. A deputy of the king looks as powerful as the king. But when the king appears, the deputy's glory vanishes. As the waters of a small stream, example, she has given the example, as the waters of a small stream vanish into a great ocean. Listen, there is music. Nerissa says, it is your music, madam of the house. It is the music from your house. Portia says, nothing is good I see without respect. Methinks it sounds much sweeter than by day. Nothing is good in itself unless it is affected by circumstances. Nothing is good in itself unless it is affected by circumstances. It seems to me that the music appears to sound much better when it is heard by night. When it is heard by night, Nerissa says, silence bestows that virtue on it, madam. Silence gives music its melodious quality. Madam. Portia says, the crow doth sing as sweetly as the lark when neither is attended. The crow sings as sweetly as the lark. This is also a type of bird. When neither is accompanied by other sounds. When neither is accompanied by other sounds. And I think the nightingale, if she should sing by day, when every goose is cackling, would be thought no better a musician than the wren. I think that the nightingale, if she sings by daylight, when every common bird makes a harsh noise, she would appear no better a singer than the wren. Now she asked the question, how many things by season seasoned are to their right praise and true perfection? Peace, ho, the moon sleeps with Endymion and would not be awaked. How many things look better by being done at the right time? and are praised for perfection. But silence, the moon is asleep by her lover Endymion and would not like to be woken up. Music stops. Lorenzo says, that is the voice, or I am much deceived, of Portia. Unless I am mistaken, that is the voice of Portia. That is the voice of Portia, unless I am mistaken. Portia says, he knows me as the blind man knows the cuckoo by the bad voice. He knows me by my harsh voice, just as a blind man knows the cuckoo by its voice. Lorenzo says, dear lady, welcome home. Welcome home. Portia says, we have been praying for our husband's health, with speed we hope the better for our words. Are they returned? We have been praying for the well-being of our husbands. We hope that they had benefited from our prayers. Have they got back as yet? Have they returned yet? Lorenzo says, madam, they are not yet, but there is come a messenger before to signify their coming. Lorenzo says, no, madam, not as yet, but a messenger has come ahead of them to tell us that they are coming. They are approaching. Portia says, go in, Nerissa. Give order to my servant that they take no note at all of our being absent. Hence, nor you, Lorenzo, Jessica, nor you. Go in, Nerissa. Give order to the servants that they must not show that they know about our absence from here. This is applicable to you also, Lorenzo and Jessica. A trumpet is sounded outside. Lorenzo says, your husband is at hand and I hear his trumpet. We are no telltales, madam, fear you not. Your husband is around. I hear his trumpet. We do not give away secrets. We are not going to open the secret. Madam, you need not be afraid. Portia says, this night methinks is but the daylight sick. It looks a little paler. That is a day such as the day is when the sun is hid. It seems that the night is getting over. It is now daylight. It is now daylight. It is a little pale, just as the day when the sun is hidden. And after in the scene, enter Bassanio, Antonio, Greciano and their attendants. And what happens in the scene after the speech of Portia, you will see in my next video. Thank you so much, YouTube.